Are you wondering what your home is worth? Curious about the home selling process? Thinking about downsizing or even upsizing your home? Do you have 20 plus years of stuff accumulated?
A lot of stuff.
Join us for one of our upcoming Home Selling Simplified seminars, where you can enjoy an informative discussion with our dedicated team of real estate professionals who are experts in serving clients in your neighborhood. Plus, learn about local contractors, home organizers, cleaners, and staging, and other ways to enhance your home's value. We call that forced appreciation. We'll answer your questions and share various customized plans for achieving your desired results, in some cases by advising you on pitfalls to avoid. Now, whether you're upsizing, downsizing, or moving out of state, if you or your siblings have recently inherited real estate, or even if you have a complicated scenario, we can advise you. It's never too soon to start collecting information and putting a plan together, whether it's 90 days away or 90 weeks. Now, have you been wondering about the impact of the national headlines on your local area? We'll share the real estate data for your specific neighborhood. Plus, delicious food will be served. Come join one of our brunch or dinner community information sessions, where thousands of your neighbors have already gained valuable insights in the last 24 months. We're here to serve you and help enhance our community together. See you there.